customers. We're at the Dockside Inn Resort.
We love the Universal Orlando hotels, but it's a little crazy this year. Some of the Universal hotels are open, some of them are not. We're gonna help you out. We are gonna rank the top Universal Orlando hotels for your 2021 vacation. Let's first start with Endless Summer Resorts. There are two Endless Summer Resorts called Dockside and Surfside. Dockside Inn & Suites is currently open. Surfside Inn & Suites is set to reopen on May 3rd, 2021. Both of these resorts are located right outside Universal Orlando on International Drive. Even though these resorts are not at Universal, you can hop on a bus to quickly get to Universal City Walk and to the Universal Parks. When it comes to Endless Summer, our favorite resort is Surfside Inn & Suites. Both resorts at Endless Summer are fun and make our top list for 2021, but Surfside is our favorite of the two properties. We love the surf theme at Surfside. It is super cute. We also love the pool that is shaped like a fish with a view of the lake. We also love the more spacious feel of the lobby of Surfside versus Dockside. One of the reasons Endless Summer Resorts made our top Universal Orlando hotels in 2021 is the price tag. This is a brand new resort and prices start from $79 per night. This resort features standard rooms and 2-bedroom family suites that sleep up to 6 people. The family suites start at $120 per night, which is an incredible price too. If you have a larger family or need extra space, this resort is an amazing value. This resort is a basic resort, but they still have a lot of amenities for the entire family. The pool is huge with lots of lounge chairs, umbrellas, outdoor games, and a poolside bar. You also have quick service and Starbucks for dining. These resorts also have a game room, fitness center, and Universal merchandise shop. This resort has a lot of amenities for families at an inexpensive price tag. Cabana Bay Beach Resort normally makes the top of our Universal Orlando hotels list, except in 2021. Why did this resort move down in our list? Because they do not offer Universal Express. Universal Express is a huge value and makes a big difference in a 2021 vacation. You can save from $400 per day when you stay at Portofino Hotel, Hard Rock Hotel, or Royal Pacific Hotel with the free Universal Express. So what is Universal Express? You use your room key to get front of the line access on rides and attractions at both Universal parks. This is a huge time saver, especially in 2021. For this one reason, Cabana Bay Beach Resort got bumped down on our list for 2021. However, for just family fun at the resort, we love Cabana Bay Beach Resort. There are a ton of things to do with the kiddos, including 2 huge pools. One pool has a lazy river, beach entry, lounge chairs, and quick service dining. The other pool has a splash park, water slide, outdoor games, and tons of lounge chairs. The pools are amazing at Cabana Bay Beach Resort and our favorite pools at Universal Orlando. For the lazy river, you can buy tubes or save some money and bring your own. The team members will even blow up your tubes once you arrive and deflate them for the trip home. This resort also has a huge quick service dining, Starbucks, merchandise shop, and huge fitness center. The fitness center is quite impressive if you're a fitness buff. You can even bowl at this resort. They have indoor bowling and a restaurant right at Cabana Bay Beach Resort. We also love the rooms at Cabana Bay. They have standard rooms in towers or family suites. The family suites sleep up to 6 people. There is plenty of space for the whole family. The standard rooms have an incredible floor-to-ceiling window with a view of the resort and Volcano Bay Water Park. We love the price tag at this resort. The standard rooms start at $116 and the family suites start at $153. If you're dreaming of Italy, you may want to book Portofino Bay for your next Universal vacation. I've been to Italy, and Portofino looks, feels, and sounds just like a seaside village in Italy. You can grab a cup of coffee in the morning and sit in the piazza watching people. In the evening hours, you may hear the singers from the balcony overlooking the piazza. Even the vibrant colors of the buildings look like Portofino in Italy. This resort is the most luxurious Universal Orlando hotel. This hotel has more dining, pools, and shopping than any other Universal property. They also have the largest rooms with more in-room amenities. We do love a few family features of this resort. The family pool is called the Beach Pool. This pool has a beach entry, water slide, and splash park for the younger kids. There's also an outdoor restaurant right at the pool, making it easy for lunch and pool time. We also love the kids camp. The kids can play at camp, and mom and dad can have a romantic dinner or an evening at Universal City Walk. We love Hawaii, and Royal Pacific is an escape to the Polynesian Islands, right in the middle of Universal Orlando. The rooms at Royal Pacific Hotel are comfortable for longer stays at Universal with a South Pacific decor. This resort also features kids suites themed after Jurassic World. Our kids love the Jurassic World suites, especially with the new Jurassic roller coaster opening in June. This is one of our favorite themed resorts during our travels. Our whole family loves the Tropical Lagoon Pool. This pool area is huge with plenty of lounge chairs under palm trees. Kids also love the water volleyball, beach entry, and Royal Valley Sea Splash Park. You can grab a bite to eat at the poolside dining or watch the evening torch lighting ceremony. For 2021, the Hard Rock Hotel makes the top of our list for Universal Orlando hotels. Our family is a huge fan of the Hard Rock hotels. This hotel is located right next to Universal Studios. You're a quick walk from your hotel to Universal City Walk and Universal Studios. We love the spacious rooms for families. They even have a mirror that you can measure your height versus other rock and roll legends. There are several restaurants for the whole family, including the kitchen. We love this rock and roll hangout. Did you know that musicians are welcome to head right back into the kitchen to cook anytime? You never know who you may see at this restaurant. Our kids also love the tropical pool at the Hard Rock Hotel. There's music by the pool and underwater in the underwater sound system. Your kids will love the recreation, live music, and games by the pool. There are even splash areas for the younger kids and a water slide for the more adventurous swimmers. You can even grab a bite to eat or a fruity drink by the poolside restaurant. We also love the in-room experiences at Hard Rock with picks, tracks, or wax. You can reserve guitars, headphones, and an amp at check-in. They're delivered right to your room to enjoy during your vacation at no additional cost. Before you leave Hard Rock, be sure you pop by the front desk. You can turn your Hard Rock key into a guitar pick. This is a fun souvenir for the whole family. These are our favorite hotels for a Universal Orlando vacation in 2021.
Thanks for joining. Keep on dreaming. Love you all. Bye.